All right, so we're going to talk a little bit about spaces, okay? Just as a guess, okay? If I were to go here and press enter a few times so that I inject some lines there, okay? Just as a poll, just as a guess, how many people think that that will affect what happens in the program? Okay, so if I put spaces there, how many people think that will make the program not work? Or whether it will be translated over here onto the screen? Hands up. Does that affect the program? Just a guess. Good, Luna. Good, Bhavna. Okay, hands up those who think that it will have no effect. Doesn't make a difference. Doesn't make a difference. Good. Jennifer?
No idea.
No idea. Okay, no idea. Well, let's try. Okay, so I put in a bunch of spaces there, and I'm going to click run. Maybe this wasn't the best example because the music will start playing again, but let's take a look. It's actually okay. All right, so if I run this now, right? Okay, you can see the program runs exactly like it did before. Okay, it didn't break, there wasn't a problem, and it also didn't put a whole bunch of spaces between Australians and the next lyric. Okay, so the thing about Python is that spaces between lines of code don't make a difference. Okay, they do not make a difference. So all those blank lines there in that example code, all those there, if we take them all out, okay, like that, it would still work. Okay, and similarly, okay, if you just put a whole bunch of spaces there, that's fine too. Okay, so the spaces between the lines don't make a difference. So why do you think it would be useful for people to put spaces in their code or to take spaces out altogether? Yep, Bhavna?
It's like you having a good handwriting. Giving spaces makes it more readable, presentable.
Good. Yeah, so it makes it more readable, isn't it? Okay. But who's it readable to? Does Python care?
No.
Python doesn't care. So who's it readable to?
User?
To the user? Yeah, to you who's coding it. Who else might it be useful to? Luna?
The teacher?
The teacher, okay? If you hand in your code and it's just like handwriting, right? You scribble, I can't read it, give you low marks, right? If it's nice and neat, it's useful. It's really just useful for humans, right? So it's useful for you as the person coding it, also useful for your teacher, and there are a lot of other areas that is talked about in the course a bit later as well, okay?